Want to make driving easier and more enjoyable? In this video, we've handpicked 16 practical gadgets to make your ride safer and more comfortable. All Amazon links are in the description. Check them out anytime. Car battery dead. Don't panic. This fully automatic smart battery charger packs a powerful 10-amp output in a compact design, supporting both 12V and 24V batteries for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. Features a large backlit LCD screen displaying real-time charging status. Built-in temperature sensors automatically regulate output to prevent overcharging or undercharging. It also features a battery revitalization mode, using high and low-frequency pulse technology to activate dormant or degraded batteries, extending their lifespan. Safety is comprehensive. Overcharge, overvoltage, short circuit, and overheat protection are all included. Plug it in and use it immediately, with smart memory functionality for hassle-free operation. Samsung Fit Plus USB flash drive, compact and portable plug-and-play. Easily store photos, videos, music, and files. Compatible with laptops, tablets, TVs, car stereos, and gaming consoles. Seamless design with built-in keyring for easy carrying and loss prevention. Want to effortlessly capture scenic views while driving? This Sleepia Magic Arm Suction Cup car phone holder is your perfect choice. Its versatile design works for selfies, vlogging, live streaming, and watching shows. Shoot anytime, anywhere inside or outside your vehicle. Upgraded powerful suction cup. Locks with one touch for rock-solid stability and drop-proof security, plus shock absorption for smoother footage. The Magic Arm extends from 5 to 12 inches with 360 degrees rotation, letting you adjust angles freely without blocking your view. Compatible with all phones, sucks onto smooth surfaces effortlessly. Want to capture every moment of cityscapes or extreme sports? DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro features a f1.3-inch sensor, delivering stunning low-light performance for effortless nighttime cycling and adventure shots. Enhanced subject tracking, powered by a 4nm chip, enables fast and precise frame tracking. Keep fast-moving subjects centered with smooth, natural results in both 16:9 and 9:16 aspect ratios. Hands-free voice control recognizes commands with high precision within 1 meter, enabling effortless shooting without manual operation. Long-lasting battery delivers up to 4 hours of runtime, adapting to diverse shooting scenarios. Dual OLED touchscreens display vivid, lifelike colors, allowing real-time previews that make outdoor shooting and playback enjoyable. Ultra-stable footage with 360 degrees horizon-steady technology, capturing shake-free action videos. No matter how intense the motion, footage remains smooth and steady. Professional audio directly connect DJI Mic 2 and Mic Mini for crystal-clear sound capture. No receiver needed, perfect for motorcycling, skiing, and vlogging. Flexible combinations and accessories, offering standard kits and upgrade options, effortlessly handle outdoor shooting and creative projects, capturing life's best moments anytime. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Whether it's night scenes, extreme sports, or daily vlogs, it captures the clearest, most stable, and most vivid footage. The ultimate household cleaning companion, foldable mop bucket. Folds flat with one push to just 2.6 inches, saving 72% storage space. Soft yet durable silicone material with a handle for easy carrying. 16 liters large capacity, easily holds cleaning supplies, dirty laundry, toys, and miscellaneous items. Not just a cleaning bucket, doubles as a laundry hamper, storage bin, or camping water bucket for home and outdoor use. Give your headlights a fresh new look. Meteor's clear headlight coating protects headlights from UV damage, preventing fogging, yellowing, and discoloration. Simply spray and let dry to restore crystal clear clarity, making night driving safer and your vehicle more beautiful. Elevate your driving experience with comfort. This premium universal steering wheel cover, crafted from ultra-fine microfiber leather, features a soft, comfortable feel, is durable and odor-free. Fits 14.5 to 15-inch steering wheels and provides comprehensive protection against wear and tear. Anti-slip and shock-absorbing design. Red anti-slip stitching enhances grip, while the inner ring absorbs vibrations for a more secure hold and superior impact resistance, ensuring safer driving. Easy installation. Simply sun the cover for 15 to 30 minutes to soften it, then slip it over the steering wheel. Gently twist it into place with both hands for a perfect fit. Refined and stylish classic black interior design complements any vehicle, blending aesthetics with functionality. Stain resistant and easy to clean, just wipe with a damp cloth to maintain pristine appearance. Comfort, safety, style make every drive comfortable and sophisticated. This polishing pad features premium blended microfiber with built-in sponge, combining high absorbency and elasticity. It's ideal for applying wax, polish, protective coatings, or care solutions, delivering efficient polishing and effortless waxing. Durable design with tightly stitched edges prevents fraying, reduces friction, and protects against paint scratches for safer polishing. Multi-purpose and machine washable, suitable for automotive interior and exterior surfaces, seats, and windshields. Next-generation paint protection technology. This coating product combines ceramic and graphene technology, delivering incredible smoothness, dazzling shine, and exceptional longevity to your vehicle's paintwork. Low dust formula for effortless application. Waxing and polishing glide on smoothly and naturally, leaving no powder residue after wiping. All-weather protection forms a robust barrier, shielding your vehicle from UV rays, chemicals, and road contaminants whether under scorching sun or harsh weather. Effects last for months, keeping paintwork clear, water-repellent, and brilliantly glossy. Multi-surface application, not just for paintwork. It also works on wheels, headlights, clear plastics, and exterior metals like chrome and aluminum, delivering comprehensive protection for your entire vehicle. Versatile application. Easy to apply in both sunny and shaded conditions. Its unique formula avoids the tough to buff texture of traditional paste waxes, instead gliding on smoothly and wiping off effortlessly. Instant results delivers a mirror-like shine upon application, enhancing water resistance and chemical durability while simplifying cleaning. Keeps your vehicle looking pristine, protected, and easy to maintain. Give your car gentle care. This light blue microfiber towel features a generous 16 by 16 inch size, with a thick 450 GSM plush design that's soft, absorbent, and durable. Double thickened on both sides, it absorbs twice as much water as regular towels, drying quickly to save you time. Seamless and lint-free, it won't scratch or shed, making it safe for paintwork, glass, and interiors. Whether washing, polishing, or removing wax, this is the professional-grade towel your garage needs. Powerful cleaning, effortless from now on. This Westinghouse pressure washer delivers up to 2100 psi water pressure and 1.76 GPM flow rate, easily tackling decks, driveways, fences, exterior walls, and cars. Equipped with a 120V motor and auto shutdown system for durable, worry-free operation. The side-foot flexible hose comes with sawed quick connect nozzles and a soap applicator, allowing you to switch tools on the fly for any cleaning task. Save time, double your efficiency. EVIG Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner, 16.5-inch cleaning width, compatible with 2000 to 4000 psi. Effortlessly tackles stubborn stains on driveways, decks, and sidewalks. Dual rotating nozzle, stainless steel octagonal housing, enhanced cleaning speed, streak-free and efficient. Equipped with 4 wheels and an ergonomic extension wand, effortless operation eliminates bending, splashing, and mess. Whether for home or commercial use, EVIG makes large area cleaning fast, effortless, and thoroughly clean. Want to wash your car quickly and effortlessly? This adjustable foam cannon is your ultimate tool. Features a 1-liter large capacity, compatible with 1000 to 3000 psi pressure washers. Installation is super simple. Add soap and warm water. Connect the 1/4-inch quick connect hose, turn the knob, and it sprays thick foam. Includes tight interchangeable nozzles, switchable from side to side degrees. Handles car washing, watering plants, cleaning driveways, or washing windows with ease. Precisely adjust foam volume and spray patterns for top-notch cleaning results. Unflappable in high heat, safe and heat-resistant. This ceramic heat-resistant blanket withstands direct flames up to 2600 degrees Fahrenheit, providing reliable protection for your wood stove, fireplace, pellet stove, pizza oven, and forging equipment. Ceramic blanket dimensions can be easily trimmed to size with scissors, offering flexible adaptation to various application scenarios. Friendly reminder, wear gloves and a mask during use to ensure safe operation. Whether for home stoves or industrial furnaces, it delivers powerful insulation and fire protection. Protect your trunk and keep it tidy. This universal rubber trunk liner is meticulously designed, crafted from flexible, premium rubber that conforms to most vehicle trunk shapes, offering a semi-custom fit for a perfect snugness. The trim-to-fit design lets you easily cut it to match your vehicle's specifications, creating bespoke protection for your trunk interior. All-weather protection shields your trunk floor from stains and wear, whether it's rain, snow, or muddy roads. Durable and pressure-resistant. The premium rubber material withstands long-term use without warping or cracking, ensuring lasting protection for your vehicle's interior. Easy to clean, simply wipe away spills or dirt, or wash with soapy water to keep your trunk looking as good as new. Looking to upgrade a small detail on your beloved vehicle that makes a big difference? The Votex short antenna is your ideal choice. Its universal compatibility fits a wide range of cars, trucks, and SUVs, accommodating models from 1980 to 2025, making the upgrade process effortless and worry-free. Tool-free installation takes just minutes, effortlessly enhancing your vehicle's appearance and functionality. Constructed with 304 stainless steel threads and premium EPDM rubber, it's built to last through harsh weather and frequent car washes. Featuring a German-engineered copper coil for clearer, more stable signal reception, enjoy seamless radio performance wherever you go. A trusted American brand with over 20 years of expertise, delivering unmatched quality and performance for your vehicle. Votex antennas, small details, big difference. Thanks for watching. If you like any of these accessories, don't forget to click the link in the description to grab them now. Feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more practical car gear recommendations.